Susunod! Anthony Tan, para sa True Confession. Ano masasabi mo?
Now na. Alam mo, boy, ito si boy. You make sure today, double tankin. Oh my God!
Pay Rupa. Okay, minali patagalin pa mga kapamilya. Anthony Tan.
Okay. Hindi dapat mag-anto ka dahil ganyan makitaan.
Nag-rule ang kami.
Yes, good morning, boy. Good morning, Ai. Good morning, Rupa. So, first of all, magandang araw po. Good morning, sorry po, Manny Chris.
Visitor ka man, ba't ka nag-aak na host?
So, first of all, I wanna greet mga kapamilya, good morning. I'm here today to clarify some things between me and Ann Curtis. Kasi medyo nagkakalabuan na kami ngayon. So,
Anthony ka?
Jake.
So, ano nababalitaan namin si Ann at ikaw? Huling-huli na naghahalikan sa Embassy Bar? Totoo ba yun? Hindi.
Actually, Kuya Boy, as of now, very good friends with Ann. Ann is a very nice friend of mine, but I'm not closing my doors to her. She's a very good friend. And yes, Tito Boy.
This a boy?
Yes, Tito Boy, we hang out. Pero friendly kiss lang naman yun eh. Hindi na, wala naman yung meaning eh. It's just a friendly kiss.
Kung may meaning, kung may dictionary, ano meaning doon?
Lalo po, Tito Boy.
Oh, Christy.
Ano? Ano ba ako? Ala, ikaw. Rupa. I heard you have a scandal. With Android.
Okay, yan isa sa mga gusto kong i-clarify ngayon. So, alam naman natin na high-tech na tayo ngayon. So, di ba pwedeng i-edit? Maraming sumisira sa akin ngayon. Bakit? Kasi marami kong project. Bakit? Kasi naiingit siya sa akin eh.
Bakit?
Okay. So, yun na po, Tita Chris.
Okay. Yun lang. Okay. Tell us your future project.
Okay, so sa mga kapamilya dyan sa Dubai, I have a concert there, March 28.
Singer.
We have a show, Kapamilya Caravan, sa Dubai, March 28.
Order ko.
Excuse me, we are here today at Shopee.
Kaya kuya. Baka pala magkaya.
Kuya Ran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. So, okay, we will be right back. We will be right back. So mga kapamilya, let's hear off to the owner of the Chowking is Animal City of Davao, Sir Abelgo. Sir?
Customer ko.
What is your new product? Can you explain the new product of
Upo ka
Chowking?
lang, Ma'am.
So, can you explain the new product of Chowking?
Ay, takal-kawas ko.
You explain that.
Customer ko ba?
Sorry. I'm so sorry. So we will now go to
Here.
Miss G. Oh my God. So what can you say about Chow Fan?
Kaya ko
Okay, hurry up.
Tita Chris, anong
You have
masasabi
no
mo?
more time.
Chow fun is fun, chow chow.
Alright, we're good. Okay na, Mr. J.R. Rocero.
Because I love you, watch you.
Mr. J.R. Rocero, anong masasabi mo sa Chow Fan? Kaya, aba, ganun limitad ang words ni Mr. Rocero. So, Miss Mosqueda pala.
Hindi ako sumagot kasi pinako.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're nothing. I'm smart. Papi ka.
Oo, saan?
Direct.
Yes, ikaw si
Direct
Al.
pa lang kasi sumasakit mga
Nang Mang TV na. Ang sa'yo mong luto ka ron.
Yes, mga kapamilya.
Direct pa.
Para sa itong putit ka ron, Chow Fan.
Ayun, starting. So, we now go